Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my first unboxing slash review video. So I am pretty excited because I've never done this. So first things first, boys and girls, don't judge me with this video because I have never done this. And yeah, so this is my first billion trillion dollar worth of unboxing studio. So yeah, and the reason I did the unboxing for this video for this product, because obviously this is something which no technical reviewer YouTuber have got this. So this is a video which is like in trend now, because BoAt is a pretty big company. I don't know about outside, but in India it's a pretty big company. Like, they are sponsoring a lot of teams and stuff like that in the IPL, in the Indian Premier League. And yeah, so this is the first product which they are launching in this line segment, which is the fitness tracker and stuff like that. So yeah, I was skeptical that should I actually get this, because it's their first, and in a conundrum that should I actually buy it. But well, I did it because at the time it was on sale for on Flipkart. I think it was on 29th, so I got it on that day, and I got it for almost $26, aka almost for 2000, like exactly 2000, but for dollars I don't know. And yeah, so this is my review video, not unboxing stuff like that. So yeah, and so if you guys are new, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the video. Because, and guys and boys and girls and everybody and gals, please don't judge me with this video. Like I said, I've never done this kind of unboxing or review thing. But if you guys do like it, I can see that, if because obviously like and comments will be there. So I will, if you actually guys like it, I will do a same thing in future also. So let's not take a lot of time, and let me start with the review. So here we have the whole unit, everything inside. And if I quickly show you the box, because the box is pretty nice. So here's the box, and the watch over all the four sides is a glossy thing which is there. And then on the right hand side you can see a lot of things, that alert, calorie, compatibility, fine touch, and everything is there, and music control. And on the back, like, if I find, okay, so there it is, I can show you the MRP on the box, it's written. So let my camera quickly focus once again. Almost there, baby, almost there, and there we go. So it says 6,000, but well, here's the proof. I have actually got it for 2,000, which is $26, something like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the buy, because I got it in a cheaper way. So if it's not bad, I still don't affect me, because a lot of people have bought it for extra. So you see the box? Yeah, you know what, you can see this box, just throw it. Obviously, why not? Now you see this plastic where everything came in. Yeah, it's a good plastic, throw it. Now this is the I think this, yeah, this is the 1 year warranty card. You don't need warranty because you're a millionaire, so throw it. Now you need the sunburn. You see this pamphlet where they show their sponsor, their product and stuff like that. Yeah, looks nice. It seems like, you know what, just throw it. Oh yeah. Now you see something important, which is the user manual. You don't know how to work these kind of stuff. Yeah, it's a user manual, you need to learn. Throw it. But don't throw this, because this is the food for your watch. This is everything, because this is a magnetic charger. And I do have a real fitness tracker from Mi. It's a smart band, but I have never seen this kind of stuff. So I really like this thing where it's just automatically touches it, and it's just like damn, done. So yeah, this is a good thing, thumbs up from my side. And just keep it aside, don't throw that, remember. Now let's come to the watch. Wow, this watch is this watch and a smart watch within your watch. What I can say, I have the rubber on the bands are pretty well, like, it's a very well made thing. And on the back you can see all the sensors on the chargers and stuff like that. So let me quickly just can I switch on my flash for a second? Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, the flash is on, and I will quickly show you the branding for the Storm watch. Let me, if I can, if my camera can actually capture it. Okay, so it can, and let me just see if I can focus it on. Uh-huh. There we go. So you can see, and yeah, looks nice. But the best thing is these like buttons where if you pull down and you can actually get your band removed. So I really like, but I didn't do because it's I don't know how to like put it back. So this watch is pretty cool, and I really like it. So I don't think if you guys are able to watch or not because of the glare, it can. Let me quickly turn off the flash which I turned on for in a sec. Okay, so you can see the whole specification. It has got 1.3 inches full touch screen curved display and a lot of things. Just pause it and you can read it because it's a lot of things to see and tell you. So let's get back, and there you see the watch. It is pretty nice. It's a bit snappy as it's the first device. Like I said, there will be some bugs and some problems with this device, that's for sure, because nobody's perfect the first time, but they will create some impact so we can actually buy the second or the second part of this. So let me quickly show you. Let me see the brightness low. Okay, so brightness now, I hopefully you guys can see because I was checking, you guys couldn't. And now, yeah, so it's visible, right? And let me quickly show you the display. There are a lot of there are 4 display at the moment because but they will add in future. And the you can see again, I did not like a lot, but well, I cannot do anything. So the button on the right, it helps to get in back. So the display the brightness I showed you, like, right? So I will keep it on 1 because 1 is the nice moment, and see about, so you can see everything about the device over here. And yeah, so let me go back and let me see. So I don't want to shut down because obviously not. Let me get back and go to the sports record because obviously it just came today and I did not do any workout and stuff like that, so no record will be there. Let me scroll back to up, and there we have a lot of stuff. So you can say run, walk, then we have bike, we have hike, and then we have climbing and treadmill. Okay, so I think there will be another list. Yeah, so there is sprinting and there is yoga. So that's it. Let me go back, and lots of stuff. So we can have the heart rate monitor over here, real time, it says that. And yeah, so it's nice. I have tried it, and you can see this is all the chart. And let me okay, it's focusing. So as you can see, it's okay, so there it is, the bar, like when it was my high and low and stuff like that. And yeah, so this has a blood oxygen level counter, which is pretty nice because I have not seen something in this price segment. And then we have the blood pressure machinery, which tells you the your BP and stuff like that. So that's amazing. So we have this relax. I have actually used it. I don't know if it's very like effective or not. So it basically tells you like breathe in and breathe out, stuff like that. So yeah, it was interesting thing because I've never like experienced something like this until unless you have seen in the yoga channels and stuff like that. So yeah, this was interesting, and there are a lot of amazing things which I've actually got in this prime segment, and that's amazing thing, guys. So yeah, let me just, yeah, okay, yes dude. So now let's get back to the alarm. We have alarm, obviously I've not said. Then we have this okay, this again, oh, that's my dope. And then we have music control. So if I quickly show you, okay, I cannot wait. Oh, where is my other phone? I have connected, so let me give me some time and I will be back. So the music control works pretty well, and let me go back and let me show you this timer. So it got stopwatch and a timer, so that's neat. Everybody there has, and I show you this. So let me quickly show you what's in the left swipe. So we got the heart rate if you want to enable it or stuff like that. Right now it's off, and it's a pretty neat thing because it's a very shortcut, so I can just toggle it on and off. And then I have this whole vibrating mode, which I actually turn it off right now because it's a good vibrating. Then it's a DND, which I don't want to get disturbed, and then it like shakes my phone so I can find my phone easily. So this is all the stuff. And one more thing, so when you swipe up you can see all this stuff. Yeah, like everything, all the details, calories from everything burned. So like I said, I have not done anything because I just received the device today. So yeah, let me swipe down and you can see your notification appears, which I will hide because I'm so sorry. And I will hide this video the text because obviously, and so you can delete over here, and as you can see, I can delete all the text from all the notifications I've actually got, and that's it. So that's a pretty neat stuff, and I actually kind of like this stuff, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next. See you soon. Bye.